You know, Sunday dinner doesn't have to be complicated. It don't have to take 10 hours to prepare. Come on in, let me show you how to make a quick and easy Sunday dinner in about an hour or two. Alright guys, let's start by making our green beans. Here I will brown up some pancetta. This is Italian bacon, but if you don't have that, you can use regular bacon. Once that browns up, we're going to remove it and set it aside. Here I will add a little butter, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we'll come in with our aromatics. I'm using celery, bell peppers, garlic, and onion. Give that a stir and allow it to saute for 2 minutes. Next, I will come in with some chicken broth. Once that is added, you want to season to your own liking. I will also add a tad bit of vinegar here, and we will come in with our green beans. Once the green beans is added, you want to just make sure it is nicely submerged in the liquid. Cover this, reduce the heat to low, and allow it to go for about 30 to 45 minutes, or you can cook it to your desired texture. After about 40 minutes, this is how mine was looking. It smells absolutely delicious. Now I will add my pancetta back in there, give it a good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. Now let's move on to the next. Next, I'll be doing some simple mashed potatoes. There I added some salt, some garlic. We will cover this and allow it to boil until it's nice and soft. Once it is soft, I like to drain it, return it back to the heat, and just let the heat go on low to dry out any liquid that might be there. Then I added my butter and mash until it's nice and smooth. Next, I will add some seasoning for flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust to your own preference. And then I added some half and half milk and cream. You can add milk and cream until it reaches your desired texture. This is the texture that I like, so I did add some fresh parsley for a pop of color and brightness. And that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. Now let's move on to the next. So here I have some country style pork ribs that I went ahead and washed in vinegar and lemon juice. And here I will be seasoning it. I will list all the ingredients that I use in the description or the caption. So you want to combine that first, and then we will add it to the pork, and we will follow that up with some fresh green seasoning. Guys, if you don't have green seasoning, you can omit it. I will leave the link to the green seasoning recipe in my description or in the caption. I then add some barbecue sauce, some mustard, and some Chinese sauce. If you don't have Chinese sauce, you can use hoisin sauce. Once that is combined, you want to cover and allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour or two. Next, you want to place your ribs into a large baking dish and preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. We will cover this and place it into the oven for about an hour and a half. After which, I will show you the next step. After about an hour and a half, the pork is almost done. It is nice and tender. Next, we will go ahead and drain it because that's a lot of oil at the bottom of the pan. Once drained, we'll go ahead and coat it with our favorite barbecue sauce. Use whatever sauce you like. It's all about personal preference. Once done, we'll place it back into the oven uncovered for about 20 to 30 minutes. After about 25 minutes, it is all done. Now we can plate this up and enjoy. And here you have it, yet again, another quick and easy Sunday dinner recipe. This was so delicious, mouth-watering, and flavorful. You guys will not regret trying this. Give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.